I'll start. Okay. I
Ma'am, so
want to
this
give
chapter finished?
yes, chapter finish. It is a very easy chapter, very less. And next chapter is its continuation. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I want to give you some more questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you do. Now start doing. I'll write the question on the board. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So start writing the question. Write the question. Question number 1. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
In which quadrant? In which quadrant? In which quadrant? Start writing.
Where should we write?
Or in the notes itself. Or on which axis? Which axis? Which axis? On which axis do each of the points do each of the points -2, 4, 3, -1, -1, 0, 1, 2, and -3, -5 lie. Verify your answer. Verify your answer. Verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. Locating them on the Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane. So this is the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Graph or simply notes?
In the notes or in the graph, anywhere, no problem. Write the question on the notes, or you have your graph sheets with you.
No, ma'am.
Then write in the notes, because first there are 2 questions for this. First you have to guess. Guess means without plotting, you have to identify which quadrant these points are. Did you understand?
Yes,
Without locating, you have to identify. By seeing, you can identify which quadrant they lie. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
And next, second part is you have to verify by plotting them on the Cartesian plane. Means you have to draw the Cartesian plane and plot them so that you can verify it. That first question, your answer is correct or not. Did you understand? You want to see the question again?
No, ma'am.
Want to see the question again? I'll show.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you do it. Do it now itself. First you have to guess. Guess means you write this -2, 4, then 1 arrow mark which quadrant it is. Like this.
Ma'am, second quadrant.
Like that. What was the first question? -2, 4.
Negative 2 and 4.
So you have to write like this: -2, 4. Which quadrant? Which quadrant it is?
Ma'am,
Quadrant.
the question one.
Question I'll show. in which quadrant or on which axis do each of the following points? One minute. Each of the points -2, 3, -1, 0, and 1, 2, and 93, 5 lie. Verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. These are the points. 5 points.
Ma'am, can you
Yes,
show that
ma'am.
again?
Yes. -2, 4. Okay?
Yes,
-2, 4. -2, 4. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And 3, -1. -1, 0. 1, 2. And -3, -5. These are the 5 points. First you have to write which quadrant are they lie. And listen, after that you have to plot the points. And verify whether your answer is correct.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes. Vishnu Vivi, Juventus.
Yes, ma'am.
Turn on your video. If I compel only, you will turn the video, right? I want to see whether you are writing or not. Okay. Okay. Finish it fast. One more question is there to give.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. John Samuel, did you finish writing? John Samuel, are you there? Okay, children, will you tell the answer? Okay, I'll ask somebody. Vishnu, Will you tell the first question's answer? Which quadrant will that point
Second
lie?
quadrant.
Second quadrant. Very
quadrant.
good. Very good. Very good. And Haynes, Steve, will you tell 3, -1, which quadrant will that point lie? 3, -1.
Fourth quadrant.
Fourth quadrant. Very good. Now, Haya Abid is there? Haya? Haya? Which quadrant -1, 0 lie? Which quadrant? Haya should tell the answer. Which quadrant? Haya, are you listening? Haya. Arjun. Will you tell which quadrant it lies?
Which is
-1, 0. Which quadrant?
it is a number line.
Good. I thought you will tell one quadrant's name. Good. Excellent. And -1, 0. Whenever 0 comes, you have to think that, you have to understand that it is not in any of the quadrant. It is on that number line, right? So it will be on the axis. Which axis, Arjun? Which axis?
X dash.
X dash. That is x-axis. X-axis itself. No need of telling x dash. It is on the x-axis. Is it clear? Everybody understood that question? It is on the x-axis. And where x-axis, where is -1, that point, axis -1 is its location. Is it clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, next one, where will be 1, 2? Melvin, where will be point 1, 2?
1, 2. First quadrant.
First quadrant. Good. And who will tell the answer? Fia Harris, where is -3, -5?
Quadrant.
Fia Harris.
Quadrant 3. Quadrant 3.
Very good. Okay. I hope you understood this question. Okay. So you have to take care when the points comes like this. Most probably the questions will not come to plot the points, but you have to guess the quadrant. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So without plotting the point, if it is an MCQ, you have to guess the quadrant. So that time, that 0, you have to take, you have to clearly see whether there is a 0 in this. Okay. And I'll give the next question for you. Shall I give?
Ma'am, should we draw this in the graph also?
Yes, you have to draw in the graph. Will you leave some space or you can do it later?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll give the next question. I'll give the next question. Otherwise,
I did it in the notes.
It's okay. You leave some space. Okay, children, shall I give the second question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So second question is, second one. Plot the following points. Plot the following points. Plot the following points. Points on the Cartesian plane. On the Cartesian plane. Question may come different type. There may be many types of questions. And this is, 1 minute. Okay. Can you see the board? Can you see the
ma'am.
board?
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
a table. This is a table. You have to draw the table. 2 rows and 5 columns. 2 rows and 5 columns. -2, -1, 0, 1, 3, 8, 7, -1.25, 3 and -1. Okay. And
Yes, ma'am.
how will you plot the point here? After drawing the table, I'll explain how will you plot the points.
By connecting
Yes?
both the tables.
By yes, yes. Here, x is here and y is here. So what will be the first point? What will be the first point? First
0.
ordered pair. First ordered pair.
Negative
Children?
2, 8.
Negative 2, 8.
2 and 8.
Okay. First point is, first ordered pair is, this both you have to take. So ordered pair is -2, okay, this ordered pair is -2, -2, oh, 1 minute. Ordered pair is, okay, children, see. Ordered pair is -2, -8. First one. And what about this other second one? Second one?
-1, 7.
-1, 7. Third one?
0, -1,
1.25. 0, -1.25. And fourth one is?
3, -1.
1, 3. And fifth one is 3, -1. First take x, then y. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you plot the points, and -1.25, I'll tell you how to plot. You know it, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
1 minute.
Can show that to me.
I rubbed it. Let me check. No, nothing is there. Table you need. Table I'll draw again. Wait. Table I'll draw, and you have to plot the points accordingly. Okay, children? X.
Only no.
Yes, yes, yes.
Only numbers I need.
Only numbers. So, what do you mean by only numbers?
You do.
Yes, Melvin, what do you mean by it? Only numbers.
Now you write it.
Okay, is it clear now?
That is -1.25 only.
-1.25. Yes, -1.25. Now, is it clear now? Shall I rub now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, listen. I'll show this. How to find out -1.25. Okay. You take your graph and start writing. By the time, let me take it. Okay. Take your graph and start writing. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now listen. Where is 1.25? Can anybody tell where is 1.25? Listen, this graph is, can you see this graph? Can you see this graph? Surya, looking at somewhere. I'm taking class. You are looking at somewhere. Surya,
No, ma'am.
can you see the graph?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Surya. What is the speciality of this graph when the points were taken? What was the speciality? Can you see the distance?
Yes.
How many centimeters it was taken? You just see. How many centimeters?
2 by
This, how many centimeters? Usually we used to take here, right?
yes.
But here it is that we left, and this first point is this one. 2 centimeter each. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
This, like this also you can do, because take 2 centimeter and mark it as 1. Why? Because some more specific, the graph will be specified if you are drawing like this. Okay, children. When I took starting rational numbers, I told you that what is the unit length. Unit length means no problem if you are not taking 1 centimeter, you can take 2 centimeter each as 1 point. But all should be same. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now here, see, if this is 1 and this is 2, what about this middle point? Middle point,
1.5.
middle point, tell me first. What is this middle point?
50.
1 point, 1
5.
point,
0.5.
no,
1.5.
1.5. This is 0.5. This is 0.5, right? First point is 0.5. Listen, this first point is 0.5. First point is 0.5. And what about this? That is 1.5. This is 0.5. Can you see that? And where will be 1.25? Where will be 1.25? Can you tell where will be 1.25?
Middle of that.
Middle of that. So 1.25 will be
5.
here. This is 1.5. So 1.25 will be in the middle here. 1.25. Okay, children? Did you understand? If you are taking, you are not responding. If you are taking this as 1 centimeter, if you are taking this as 1 centimeter, 1 point, this is 1 centimeter and this is 2 centimeter. 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter. Suppose we are taking like that. 1 point, in the middle it will be 1.5 and in between there will be 1.25. Okay. So you can, for your easiness, you can take 2 centimeter each. Okay, children? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So if you take 2 centimeter, no problem, but make it as 1, 2 centimeter, 4 centimeter, like that. And you can mark as 1, 2, 3, 4. then it will be some more easy to mark 1.25. Okay. Can you do that? Okay. Are you doing it?
Yes, ma'am.
Now plot it. First, if you have any doubt, you ask me. Haya, are you listening? Okay.